They plugged it in and it just went all the way down. What do you think, Trev? Think you can be able to drive this?
I think this is just what the doctor ordered.
We've got us a side-by-side in the shop. Once in a while you see us work on these. But today, little something different. This side-by-side is for a guy from Orderville. He's handicapped and he got him a side-by-side. We told him that we would help him out and help him put a lift in here. I think there's some hand controls that go with it. I'm gonna sick Landon and Carl on this job and see if they can get it all put together. And then we're gonna see if Trev can drive this thing with the modifications that we do to it and see if it makes it a little easier for him to get around in it. So here we go.
Guess we got nothing but cut this box open. See what we're dealing with. Oh jeez. There's your seat. There's the hydraulic arm. Guessing that's the bolt. Another bar. I think that's everything out of that box. I broke open one of these boxes. That is all the hand controls you need. So I think it'll be a lot easier than we thought. Okay, I guess let's get going. Some stuff cleaned up and out of the way, like all that. Then we'll get going for it. Getting her figured?
China.
We got one thing mounted.
The support mount. Now we gotta
Get the rest of it mounted.
brake stuff configured.
Done.
I'm just kidding. That's not how that works. Is that better?
Yeah.
Brake. Yes. I think just tidy up. Did we ever get the gas pedal? Nope, we still have to mount the gas rod. It's just sitting on the gas pedal, to be honest. We got full range of motion. He can haul butt. Alright, so I'm over here working on this lifty boy. We haven't been able to find any instructions. Thanks. I don't think it should be too difficult to figure out, but whatever. Still working on this gas pedal, huh?
I'm so confused.
Yeah.
Because there's no way on both sides I'm getting a drill bit in there, even with this.
Oof.
So I'm kind of at a standstill until I get my brain wrapped around how to mount the throttle.
Yeah, well, good luck.
Okay, I'll give you guys a little update here, but I got technically all the hand controls in. Let me get in it and show you guys. So when you pull it back just like that, that's your throttle. And how to get brake is you push it forward just like that. So now we're just gonna, or I'm just gonna wait for Carl to get back so he can help me mount the lift on it. Then we'll wire it, see if it works, and send her back to Trevor. It's actually going pretty well. Other than we got to tear it back apart because we can't get that bolt in here where it needs to go. And I think we're just going to weld the mounts just directly to the frame itself, so it should be okay. Then hopefully by the end of the day it'll be done. Fingers crossed, because knowing our luck, something else will probably break and then 30 other parts show up and they don't fit, so yeah.
That'll hold.
A few minutes later.
Basically, I've been over here. Landon spray painted this. Looks pretty okay. Anyways, we'll just throw this on and then hopefully get the rest of it assembled. Maybe you should start figuring out wiring.
Okay. Very good.
It looks okay. We got this all mounted up. Loctited. Shouldn't come off. Brackets are on. Welded. Should be good. Sit on it. I think that'll work. It's moving.
Guys, I haven't been supervising much, but these boys are doing a good job here. So check that out.
This thing's mounted.
Lift is mounted.
And we had to add a third bolt because these two Allen ones were not strong enough.
They weren't strong enough?
No, like if you put some good weight on it, this thing would just slowly move down. So we threw in the third bolt.
Safety first,
Made
right?
sure she was secure.
So what you got left?
Basically wire.
Cool.
And test it.
Carl's got the little module control box mounted for the...
And right now I'm trying to mount this little switch right there on the dash, just like that. Hopefully in a couple minutes or we'll have this thing working. Carl's over here wiring up.
Shortening these little power wires, make it look better. Hide all the wiring. I think it'll be good.
These guys have killed it today. Everything's put on this. We were just fixing to test it, and they plugged it in and it just went all the way down. And now it does nothing else. So we've done a little testing. The box is all wired up. We are actually getting 12 volts to our wire here. So we're thinking this brand new motor doesn't work. You guys ever get parts like that? Spend a lot of money for them and nothing works? We do all the time. I guess we'll tear this apart and see if we can fix it. Interrupt the video to let you guys know that we have a few extra 4th of July shirts still. We ordered some extra ones, so if you guys didn't get yours in the pre-order and you want one, go to thefabrats.com and you can, if we have the right size for you, you can get it. We also have a limited quantity of Motor Munch jerky. As of right now, you can jump on and order some and we'll ship it out to you. So back to the video.
Alright, so we got this part. We're trying to figure out if this motor's bad.
This should be turning,
That should be turning.
right? That's what hits the limit switch.
Here, we need to see if that cord's bad. Something's not adding up in there to me.
Yeah, it goes up and down
With the cord?
from right here.
Yeah.
That's down.
Ah!
That's up.
It's working.
It's turning.
This one.
Yeah, it was turning.
Okay.
Right? Hit that again. Ah! Dude, you jump every time.
It's turning.
You're like your mom. You're easy to scare.
It should come all the way around until it hits the limit switch, and then the limit switch should shut it off.
We just had to tear it apart. Everything looks good. Put that back. We don't know what was wrong with it, but is it just working?
Yeah.
Look at that.
It works.
It's working. We determined that this control box is fried. So they send us faulty parts, never worked. These boys have done a good job. Everything seems to be in working order.
That's it.
Can you get in?
Yeah.
All right. And then hand controls. Do they work?
Don't give it to me.
Break.
Okay. Cool. Good job, fellas. Now we just got to get them to send us some more parts. That's about all we're going to get done on it today because faulty parts, that's the story of our life. Spend good money, get bad parts. So we gave this thing a few weeks waiting for the parts to show up. The parts just never got here for it. So I've give up waiting on it. I went upstairs and robbed some parts out of a Harbor Freight winch that I had up there. And we're gonna make this thing work our own selves. This is the switchboard that it had in it, junk. We put a winch solenoid setup in it. So it should have plenty of power to do what it needs to now. But we want to give this thing back, let Trev rip his side-by-side, so we're gonna finish this today, one way or another. Sometimes you just gotta build your own parts when the parts that you've ordered won't show up. See if I'm as good as Tom. Need you to go hold the down button on. Okay, you can let off. Try the up button. Voila! We're geniuses.
Now you just gotta mount it.
Yep, now we'll mount it and call this built. Finally got Trev coming. So you guys don't know Trevor, but he's a handicapped guy. I've known him my whole life. So this is his side-by-side. And he's coming to take it for a test trip. See if it works, see if it does the things he wants it to. So when he gets here, we'll show you guys and hopefully we'll see this thing work like it needs to. Trev just getting here. He's ready to take this side-by-side for a rip, see if it works. What do you think, Trev? Think you're gonna be able to drive this?
I think this is just what the doctor ordered. Hopefully you don't fall out of it. I think this is sweet.
Well, once you get in it, you can't really fall out. That thing kind of blocks you in there.
That's good. It's like a door.
Yeah. So I've lifted myself up a couple of times on this.
About a quarter of what.
What was that?
I'm just saying.
So this is my brother-in-law. You've seen me go rescue him a few times when he's been stuck occasionally. So
One time.
Up we go. Oh, this is better than Velcro.
you're gonna be trouble on wheels now, Trev. Cops are gonna be chasing you.
Gotta watch over. He's got clearance now. He can just run stuff over. And
That's right.
Run into it.
He'll go places now.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
It is like it's meant to be.
Mobile. That's pretty slick.
That's pretty good.
So these are like the controls that are in your truck, kind of?
Yes. Same scenario.
setup?
Same.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you're already familiar with that setup.
Yeah.
How that works.
We've done that before.
Oh yeah.
Roll your door up.
Does that? Oh yeah, look at that. I
Box
didn't even know
ahead.
that. So Landon and Carl pretty much installed this whole thing, made it work.
Cool. That's awesome.
Oh, there's back seat.
I'm not riding with you.
That's a good.
Hey, if one of us is going, we're all going.
That's right.
Don't kill us, please.
I did.
I've had a pretty good day. You can go for it, Trev.
Does the brake work? Alright.
Like a charm.
Just don't go quite. Yeah.
It just does that because
Just
it's
go
a
slow.
seatbelt.
Then it won't do that.
What fun is slow?
When I'm out, he can go fast. We'll buckle the seatbelt when I'm out. I trust him.
Where are you going first, Trev? Where do you think?
I don't know. Where should we go?
I don't know.
Turn this. I want to see if you can back up. Turn in there and see how good of reversing you can do. To drive with that is harder than you think.
I know. I tried the other day. I drove this thing around and I was like, man, it's kind of like TIG welding. You got to use all your hands
Let's
and arms.
go down the old road.
Think she's gonna work, Trev?
I think she should do just right.
Give her the onion.
Don't give her the onion.
Jason's nervous.
I think you're getting old, Jason.
I've rode with you before.
Yep. Getting old, fun hater.
I am getting. That's right.
That's what it is.
Yep.
Guy likes race cars, doesn't want to go fast inside by
Unless
side.
I'm driving, it's different. If you're in control of the situation, it's different.
You know what happens when there's sun in my eyes?
Yeah. Let me see. Hold on.
I didn't know it.
We're just touring the neighborhood. If JD's cooking pizza, maybe we ought to
He
go
must
get
be
some.
hooking up to the church
He
or
must
something.
be.
Primary activity.
Yeah.
I'm eating it, so I gotta figure out where he's cooking it.
Alright. Just whip in the driveway and turn around. Alright. Hey, now, easy.
You said whip.
Jeez.
What if we slip?
That wouldn't be good.
You think you can make it up the muddy? Does the brake work?
Yep.
Just making sure. So it's
Brake
downhill.
works.
Downhill.
There's a lot of stuff down here that's
If you're gonna hit something, hit that derby car, not Jason's Porsche.
Yeah, the Porsche.
Don't hit the Porsche. Or that Ford right there. Probably worth more than the Porsche.
Probably better than the
Oh, jeez. Trev, I got confidence in you. I ain't even worried.
We could go down the pond bank. Jason, you wanna go? Go.
Pretty successful test trip. I think Trev is ready to take this bad boy on a dirt road somewhere and go for a ride.
You like it? I like it. I like it.
It's gonna be good, Trev. You're gonna put some miles on this thing.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate all your work.
Yeah. It's got a warranty on it. If it breaks, take it to Jason. He'll work on it.
Turned out good. It's a curbside warranty.
Yeah, curbside. Trev's all excited. He's ready to rip that thing around. We're ready to build something different, so hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did helping old Trev out, so thanks for watching.